Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is fourth video in our tutorial series for user authentication in Django. In previous tutorial, we had the introduction, we created user registration, user login, and this is user logout, right? So in this video, we'll create a view for logging out a user, right? So let me open URLs of my project, right? So this is my URL. I'm going to copy this, right? I'm going to copy this, then I'll paste it here. Here is logout auth.logout logout. Then inside is next page. So next page. The next page is a loot page, right? Then the name is logout, right? So Control S to save the changes. After that, it's a time to include logout here. So this is logout URL logout. I Control S to save the changes, right? So let me refresh this page. I want to log out, right? Now you can see I'm able to log out something. So here I can register. Yes, here I can log in. So actually this is an end of our tutorial series from the beginning, where we had the introduction, created user registration, user login, and this is our final product. So let me register a user. So the user is Motek, right? The user is Motek, and email is motek@gmail.com. Password is Motek. Then I register. After that, I get the response that account was created successfully. So log in here. Here I put my username and my password, right? After that, I log in. Now you can see logged in as Motek, and I can log out, right? So thanks for watching. This is an end of our tutorial series. Don't forget to like, put comment, share, and subscribe for next video update. Thank you and see you in the next tutorials.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.